better than you. Footahype. When was the last time you go on one JetBlue plane and travel go anywhere? When? When was the last time you travel in a one JetBlue plane? Yeah, they are talking about Vybz Kartel in a travel in a garbage plane and Bounty Killer come in a private jet.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
People, you don't know no Media Fox now. Come for talk facts, come for talk trash. You see me? Yeah, man, people are going. Our life, we're not going with there, man. We come for talk about the Footahype versus Kartel, #1 vlogger / cheerleader. You understand? One Kevin Carp. Yo, so many time I wonder if that brother here, I don't know what really are going, you know. Like, them need to find my girl. For real. Because, I don't know, like, I don't see no woman a different Kartel. So it's like, I don't know what wrong with them, man. You understand? Because I see Footahype fouled out with a statement. You don't know, being Bounty Killer getting visa and thing for fly out, and you see me? So you know him a prep up and say, yo, Bounty, fly on private jet. You don't know Kartel. First time I go US him JetBlue and Ray. See? But look what Footahype have to say, people.
No pay for nothing. We on a bad mind. We don't like hear the truth. Bounty Killer, private jet and bust them head. The best thing Killer could have done for me yesterday, I fly private. Remember, some man sing about private jet, but we fly in a private jet. There's a big difference. Killer shame them yesterday. Killer shame them yesterday. Love it, Killer. Private jet.
Just watch a video a while ago. See, Footahype say all of that, and you don't know Footahype that he might come talk, and you see me, the whole king thing, and him and link up with Beanie Man and him go up on jet and all that sort of things, and you know, him say him rich and think, you know, Vybz Kartel come out and say him rich and all of them something there, but Footahype say you rich and you're not in a private jet and Ray and all sort of thing, people. But you have this #1 Vybz Kartel cheerleader. You understand? Because that brother real now, no man, you know. He man sit down in a car. Me I tell you, if he get a chance, if he lay down in one bed with Vybz Kartel, him quick for do it. The way how this man here, me I tell you, brother, like, Footahype say a lot of things, but you not see nobody here to come out and say nothing, like, pan a vlogging wise. It's like, that brother here, me no know. Me no know what Kartel do him or what Kartel give him or what. I don't know if Kartel is my brother or cousin or whatsoever, but, yo. And you know what the worst thing, people? More you watch a video here, Zine, with him, attack. I'm a defend Vybz Kartel. Read this.
Better than you. Footahype. When was the last time you go on one JetBlue plane and travel go anywhere? When? When was the last time you travel in a one JetBlue plane? Yeah, they are talking about Vybz Kartel in a travel in a garbage plane and Bounty Killer come in a private jet. And it's like, you also try don't play the man. Now, who I get the most money right now in our bookings? Name one DJ where you charge money Vybz Kartel a charge and people book them. One. Name one. Mr. Name one DJ. One reggae dancehall artist where you charge money where Vybz Kartel a charge and the people them book them. The people them are going to downplay them and say no. If something for instance you say 200,000, them are going to say no, me will give you 100. Me will give you 50. Nobody now charge for Vybz Kartel a charge. All when you sit on this and you say Vybz Kartel performance was weak, Vybz Kartel still get him money.
I just watch a video a while ago, people, and boy, John, this no look good at all. I tell you. For a man where basically them say my DJ, but brother, this a brother here, it's like, I don't know, it's like when anything have to do with Vybz Kartel, the man head get mad, emotions get high. Me I wonder what go on. You see what I try to say, the man sit down in him car every day. And I like Footahype, you sit down in him car, he might play music sometime. Him na go on over one man. Yo, the brother here, he man loud. And the nonsense where him a chat, like, he man make a Gaza thing look wobble out. You understand? For real. The man make a Gaza thing look wobble out, man. Because if he man a run so him mouth loud, the man can't stop. The man emotions gone high. I wonder what really are going. You understand? Because if your man a go on over a man, brother, me I tell you, Not even see them. Not even see them a go and over cartel to rap. When I see them supposed to do it. Me no know wrong with that man here. You see me? I don't know to rat it. This man I get up every day, people. Every day. You see it? Every day him come out. I say, bro, you know have a woman. Like me I wonder what kind of woman this man have. If him woman see him. I saw me know him not a woman, you know. Because if him woman see him, I sit down in the car every day. I run stuff for one man. For a man, you know. Remember, you know, I don't know if this brother and Kartel meet up already, you know. Because I see the video, but I feel like if he meet up with Kartel, I go faint. That's me feel. Because the way man I go on. I don't know if I try to look something from Kartel or whatsoever, but people, the brother you rant, him a rant. Me I tell you, and he can't have no man. Because I could have what kind of woman this have a man sit down in the car every day. If I wonder if the brother you sleep. You understand? How few woman make him sit down in a car? I rant every day, so over one man. I couldn't see myself in one car every day. I cheerlead for one man, so. What him not really know? Him know him musically. You understand? And the man loud. And when him attack people, you know. You see when him attack? I just be a trash come out time more. He can't even look in at the camera. You understand? He can't look in at the camera. He might look left, right, this, that, way. You have to wonder. I saw them sheep you going. He my number one sheep, you know. Like, Footahype say a thing. See? And you don't know, you guys are fan them. I go defend them artists and way. And you see me? You don't know. But him, the way man a go on, me I tell you, the way all the man a go on, the man ready. Like, no sir. Me I tell you people, this don't look good at all. This don't look good. The brother named Kevin need to come down now, brother. I saw you go rant over one man for life. And that man, because you alone me say I do it, brother. You alone me say I do it. Every time something come up. If I no Kartel show this, that, you come out and you chat, be a crap, brother. You understand? Be a crap, you chat. You see it? Can you forward out with a lot of video? And when you're chatting, it make no sense, dog. You can't even look in the camera, brother. Like you depend on some cheerleading thing. You see it? You say, no, man, the brother, yeah. No, sir. Me not get up and run for no man, sir, brother. Turn on camera, sit down in a car, and run for man. We can't see a video when he's in a house. Him there, so be a car, him sit down. Like, I don't know, like, him man sit down in a car 24/7 for run over one man. If from morning, evening, night. If you check out all them video, them people, I say, where would the brother come from? Like, the last year or two, him never depend on the media do all of this TikTok or whatsoever. I say, yo, Jano, you need to come down now, brother. You don't look good. You see me? You don't look good, bro. And you're loud, like, but I know, a girl alone, me say loud, so I'm going over one man. I say, you what, cheerleader, you Kartel defender, brother? Because you alone do it. It's like, focus on your life, dog, because you're too loud, brother. And when the man attack, it's like, the man head, you know, I say sheep head them stay, you know. The man just rant and all of them like something, brother. We know the guys are fan them already. The guys are fan them make them talk and defend them artists and thing. But that one you have to rat it. I don't know. I don't know when get injection with. I come like, he made go and come, he just chip out. You understand? Because Footahype say a thing. And everybody say, Footahype a bad man or whatever. Footahype a watch a man pocket or way. A Footahype that. We know Footahype stay already. Sometimes him talk and sometimes when him attack him, nah, in a sense. But this have, I don't know, that one, Vybz Kartel cheerleader this car. This a brother, I tell you. You come like say this a man, wait. Nobody can touch this a man, I say nothing about Kartel for him not get mad or whatever. I tell you people, this not look good at all. I tell you, we're not going to see a lot of videos with him, you know. We're going to see how long he's going to cheerleader for Vybz Kartel, because the brother, he not make no sense. You understand? And he don't know if he construct him words and construct him sentence them. You see what I'm trying to say? Because you have a reason, brother. And you not a reason with no sense, dog. Like, you have a reason, you do yes one moment, then you're going way over this. So. You understand? If you address a man, brother, address a man, dog. But you know, dog, what I'm doing with some of them Gaza man, because we know say real Gaza fans them, you know. The real Gaza man them now do them thing. You see me? The real Gaza man with different cartel, but them not depend on the media every day, bro. Wait, I call it? I call it the defender. That come like secret service. A Vybz Kartel secret service, and somebody say something about Kartel or say something about him, ready to get up, bro. Look at the woman them, brother. It look a way, bro. I mean, now see no woman come out and a rant for cartels or different cartels certain way. At them type of money, you have to wonder why really are going. Why we can't see female them forward out? Why we can't get one female with a different cartel the real way? You see it? Why we can't get a female? Them money every day, bro. We follow certain things. You see it? Yeah, man, we follow certain things, man. People have opinion, bro. You see me? I'm realize that brother, yeah, you know. Because you notice a Footahype not really pay him no mind, you know, people. Footahype not pay him no mind, you know, because he might try to look some cloud. Brother, imagine the man forward on the internet. You think say, yo, he would not attack him thing, but that brother, yeah, him always a chat some nonsense, bro, and him not read him facts and all of them, something they like, where am I getting information them? You understand? Cause, bro, yeah man, brother. If Footahype got always come out and say something about Vybz Kartel, and you take it up on your back every day, for come, attack Footahype, it don't look good, bro. Cause you're a man, brother. You see me? You're a man, bro. After Vybz Kartel now pay you. Kartel now pay you, bro. Free bottle nobody. You understand? So you get up every day now. And run off your mouth. You see it? Run off your mouth, brother. It don't make no sense, dog. No make no sense. Look on that video, people.
The show sold out. Vybz Kartel show sold out. You understand? In the Virgin Island. It was a good show. It looked like a good turnout. The vibes looked like it was there. Vybz Kartel work. And remember that Vybz Kartel still have the grave disease. So he worked. He did what he have to do. Him do a few jumps. You know, he might do a little bit more. He might get more active, which is good. Nothing wrong with how the man at work. For a man who we know say is going through a sickness right now. He's still...
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
You are a great youth. You understand? And Kartel is one of Jamaica biggest artist right now. You know, him a do him thing. So you know, say the people them out here who are watch, they are looking for mistakes. So try not make none. Vybz Kartel, people are looking for mistake. Try not make none. No fee. People are looking for the mistake them.
You see him forward out, and this are the thing, you know. A BLI man telling the people when him come out, you know. It like him just hear some news and just come out and say be a shit. Like him, if people really take him serious and last with him, he not the money. Because him forward out, first thing him say, Vybz Kartel show sold out. That's the one that I start to all about soul. He not get no information, you know. Him just sheep brain a clicking. You understand? Yeah man, a sheep brain a clicking, man. Him just forward out, turn on the camera, and him not even, you can see say, him not even true to himself, him can't even face the camera. If he say, yo, if you make people believe him, a BLI and trash, he's like, bro, go and go find something to, brother. You know have family or woman or wow. You know have somebody, bro. You sit down in your car every day, brother. It's not like, yeah, Footahype in him car, but on a every day Footahype a different one, man. Footahype talk about everything we are going on in media. Everything we are going on in Jamaica, Footahype talk about. Government, this, dancehall, rare. This man him, at be a cartel defender, cheerleader or something. You understand? You get up in your car every day, brother, and cheerleading for one man, bro. Like, brother, yeah. Cause Footahype now gone time, you know. I'm telling you know, people, I put up a vlog with him already, you know, bro. I don't know. I tell you, say, the Gaza people, I'm going to get rid of this, brother, because he's going to make things look bad. I tell you, he's going to make things look bad. Because for a man, there is something about that brother, you know, because he come like, say, him, I don't know what kind of genes he have or whatever, because the way he move and the way he talk, I say, bro, a real general no move them way, brother. I tell you, the brother look like, say, if you're in bridging, you go tell him woman, he will tell a woman things. The brother look like him sit down with one bag of woman and gossip. Him just run off him mouth. Him not move like no general or nothing. You see me? Yeah, him can't keep nothing. If you tell him something, just know say don't you go down the road, go here back. I tell you people, it not make no sense. You see it? It not make no sense. It not make no sense, people. You see it? Because you can't have the money, brother, run on the internet, so. You see it? Because him forward out with a lot of things and him not no credibility for no information. You see it? One bag of thing him chat. But me know say him go keep on forwarding out, you know, because I know what kind of clout him really want, you know. You see it? Can feel like say if him go get up every day, I go and over a man. You see me? Nah, go make no sense, brother. And some of the time when you forward out with information, you can see say, yo, bro, where you get the information them from? Or when you forward out with the little squash thing, I say, bro, where the brother you get them something from? Like him did there. You understand? Because I don't know where this brother pop up from nowhere, people. I don't know. People, remember for like, share and subscribe, you know. Yeah, man, like, share and subscribe, people. Don't forget to do that. You see me? Yeah, man, and big up the supporters, them. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up all of the people, them. All who are comment good, and all who are comment bad. Yeah. I'm still a fan. You see me? Yeah, man. Respect to you all. Yeah, man, people. It's like, brother, I tell you, we don't say Footahype, him and Vybz Kartel not really, you know, in a certain things, and you don't know, Busy Signal and him now. Busy Signal would have been artist and all of them good thing, you see me? So, but I feel like say one day if Kartel will call Foot and link up with him, everything will go back to now. It might go good. You understand? It might go good. But just feel like say maybe through Kartel not real to reach out to him. Because remember say, you might be a this a man or a rant a man, you know. But when the man link up with you, a different thing. You see, cause Footahype enough people, him throw him shades off and everything, and when him and them link up, it's a different thing. I just foot at that, cause if you know, you see man Valiant link up and thing, and then when Valiant go down, Jeffrey show and all of them like something there. You see me? Him say, yo, him stop play Valiant, can link up with Jeffrey and all of them like thing there, you see me? Yeah, I just one of them, him delete all time, say him delete Valiant all time thing, and I just foot at him stand on him grounds or whatever, you see me? But I feel like if Kartel say, yo, Foota, link up, you know. I feel like say if Kartel do that, he might go ready to link up with Kartel and all of them. Because I don't feel like, when you hear Footahype attack, I don't feel like I rate him, not rate Kartel, you see me? It's just that, you know, whether you being man forward or foreign and thing, and you see me, him do a video and in a private jet and all of them little thing there, and you see me? I just Footahype that. You see, but I feel like if Kartel link him, I go good. Man go with Kartel, man Kartel not really, you know. But you don't know, look incident with him baby mother and, you know, Kartel and one bag of shades are true and all of these things, you see me? But we know Footahype stay for morning already, and you must say, yo, Kartel say him rich, but he might take JetBlue plane and all of them little thing there, and you see me? But you know, Buju Bantan private jet and Bounty Kid a private jet. But we don't really know what going on still. You see it? Some people say maybe DJ Khaled, some people say I'm Bounty Rich too, and we don't know. You see me? People don't know what going on, but it's a good look for dancehall same way. You see me? Good look for dancehall. You see it? You don't know, people say Footahype a pocket watch and all of them look something, you see me? But I just foot at that. I go forward out and talk about certain things, you see it? Yeah man, I go talk about certain things, so one of them things there. But the guys of Vlogga, I tell you, the one named Kevin, I tell you, if the man forward out in the media, brother, the man make things look away. You see it? Because I don't see nobody really runs up in the media like Vybz Kartel, brother. I tell you, brother, you're a man, bro. Allow that to woman them. You see it? Allow that to woman them, brother. You see me? Allow that to Spice and Sheba them and Gaza Hindu them. Allow that for woman them for defend the man them, brother. Allow that, brother. You're not a woman, bro. Every day you get up and run for your man like you're some defender, some cheerleader thing, bro. You see it? Get a girl or get a life, man. Everybody say something about Kartel, you're quick, you're ready for run out. Say, what this, man? I want you to, brother, you don't realize you're alone and deep on the media. You don't realize? The people them who do it, nah, do it. You get up every day out of nowhere. Eh? At least you want to do every day for your rest of your life, bro. Sit down in a car, like, I don't know, them man really not no woman. This alone show me say him not no woman people, because you can't sit down in one car 24/7, bro, and rant and I say this and I say that, bro. Like, bro, this even look, me understand if he was a woman, but bro, you know, sir. It's like you have an emotional connection to Vybz Kartel, because I understand if he's a woman and she rate Kartel or love him or whatsoever, but you, bro, you're emotionally attached too much, brother. From for Kartel forward out from prison, at them time the people will start see you. And from the man come out, you start out one bag of thing, brother. One bag of thing. Defend man, this, show this, ray, all that sort of thing, brother. I don't know where you're trying to get, or you're trying to get a forward or link up or whatever, brother, but you don't look good at all. You see me? You don't look good at all, but people you don't know, you know. Remember to like, share and subscribe, you know. Yeah, man. You have to adjust the sheep, car. The sheep, yeah. Play the sheep, eat too much grass. You understand? Yeah, man. But people don't know, you know, media facts, you know. Yeah, man. That is it.